Let's swap out the battery on your Latitude 9520.
Parts People tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
Grab a Phillips number 1 and a plastic scribe. If you need either of those or your Dell replacement part, I'll leave a link for those down below. First, loosen the bottom base screws. Now use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Then unscrew and disconnect the battery. Okay, you've gotten this far and you're still having issues. What do? You can always reach out to us for diagnostics, repairs, upgrades, or anything else Dell related. We've specialized in Dell laptops for over 20 years, so if you need anything at all, link is... The reassembly process is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.